Hello, welcome back to the tvONE Training Academy studio. In this short video we're going to be unboxing the CORIOview. CORIOview is just perfect for a whole bunch of applications, from huddle rooms, meeting rooms, small control rooms, medical and even in industrial. It's a great little unit. Every facility needs a CORIOview. It's a multi-window viewer, but we've redefined the multi-window viewer. It's compact, simple, versatile. You see that in a minute. Control methods are multiple, so I can control off the front panel. I can control using the API, the choreographer software, or I can use plugins of my choice for most popular control systems as well. Display methods are varied as well, so you can obviously use it through a display, through a projector. We've also got custom resolution, so you could hook up to LED wall as well. There's lots of future proofing in it, and you'll see it in these videos as we go through, so lots of ability to connect broadcast, digital AV and legacy AV signals, and there's some great modes in this. And there's a button called the info button, which just takes away a whole bunch of pain. In this unboxing video, I'll be looking at the MWP-8GS-1Y. MWP obviously stands for multi-window processor. 8GS says it's got 8 3 gig SDI inputs, and then finally 1Y is of course 4K. Yeah, so let's have a look what's in the box. So first of all, I can see a couple of pieces of paperwork. So this is our warranty statement. So it's the product safety, liability and warranty, and all our products are built to ISO 9001 of course, and they come with a 5-year parts and labour warranty. So loads of useful information. This is the manual. As ever, our manuals are really well written, and you can always download them from our website as well, www.tvone.com. Let's have a look what's in this one. Lots of useful info as I expected. How to set up the unit out the box, about the unit, setting up Choreographer. Choreographer is our software for setting up and switching and changing presets. Then it's about settings and how to use the front panel buttons, so that's nice. First time I've seen that. Next of all, power cord. There's a couple of power cords to come with this. This is we're filming this in the UK Training Academy. It's come with a UK power cord. There'll also be a US one in here in a moment. This is the unit. We'll leave that for a second. And finally, let's delve into what's in the box here. Let's get all this out. I'll just pop this down on the floor. So yeah, as I suggested, here's the US cord, power supply. So this is a power block, and it screws onto the rear of the unit, so that's great to have the security. And then this bag contains a USB stick with documentation, firmware, that sort of thing. Little rubber feet, so we've got 4 of the feet and a network cable. Now let's have a look at the unit itself, shall we? There we go. So this is the rear of the unit, and you can see I've got 8 3 gig SDI inputs, and that's pretty amazing seeing the small space of this. This is half rack 1 RU, 8 inputs in 4K output on the output. If we pop around to the front, you can see we have a series of buttons. So over on this side, this is where I can switch presets, or I can choose to switch video and audio. And the 16 buttons here, they do a number of functions. They control switching or firing presets. And then across the top here, this little button here is the info button. We'll see more of this in a future video. It feels really well made. Great little space. It comes with mounting kits, so you can mount it in all sorts of spaces, under tables, in racks, wherever you want to. So there you go. That's the unboxing of the MWP-8GS-1Y. Look at our other videos for other unboxings. There's a whole number of derivatives of this unit. And also we'll be firing this up in a future masterclass video as well. But for now, thanks for watching now. Bye-bye.